Hello beautiful angels, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, DIY, tips and tricks. My name is Jasmita and welcome to the J-Glow family. Alright, so before we get into the video, I have a message for you, and that is obviously that I'm going to be telling you that you are beautiful and that I want you to wake up every single morning and tell yourself you're beautiful. Don't wait for anybody to give you that confirmation. You need to be happy and feel beautiful from within. So you're beautiful, and let's get on with the video. Today's video is going to be about hooded eyes and how to do with winged liner with hooded eyes. So I mean, when I first was like, hooded eyes, what is that? I mean, comment below if you agree with me, but I had no idea I had hooded eyes. I was like, okay, what does that mean, you know? So droopy eyes, hooded eyes, I don't know, that all sounds so sort of negative. And I was like, wow, like, just doesn't sound so, you know, good. So let's get creative. I like to say creative eyes. I'm going to call them creative eyes. All right. I'm not no professional or anything, but I just want, you know, my channel to be positive and make everybody feel beautiful. Whoever they are, whatever they are, whatever color, shape, form, you know, doesn't matter where you're from, whatever you are. All right. We're all beautiful. So these creative eyes, I'm going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to just zoom in my eye and I'll show you how I do it. And I hope it turns out, because it is a little bit difficult, you know, because we kind of have that fold that comes over. And depending on, you know, your eye shape and where your crease ends and things like that. But you'll see as we get into it, and I really hope it turns out for you guys. And I hope it turns out, because this is the first time I'm doing it actually on camera. So, you know, I spend a little bit more time in the mirror doing it, but on camera, I'm hoping that it really does turn out for you guys. So give me a moment. I'm going to zoom in so you can see up and close how I do my winged eyeliner. I'm going to zoom it in. Okay, so it's all zoomed in. So I have my mirror here that I'm going to be looking to the side, and hope you guys can see my eye. All right, so the eyeliner that I use is the Tattoo Liner, and it is by Kat Von D. So this is what it looks like. It's really thin, fine tip, and I love it. All right, so what you want to do is you want to start off with, like you can see, that my crease is all the way over here, okay? So wherever that ends, you want to put a little dot. So I'm just going to put a little dot right about here. Okay. All right. And you want to look forward. You don't want to be looking down when you're doing this, because when you look down and do your eyeliner, when we look up again, everything gets hidden right within that creative lid. Hooded eye, if you want to call it. We'll just say hooded eye for now, but I like creative better. Okay, now we're going to join where that dot is, right? Which is right here, and we're going to draw a line for our wing. Okay. I'm just going to shake it a little, because I think I'm running out. Right when I do a video, right? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the corner of my eye to the dot and kind of make this little square triangle happening. Okay. Then I'm going to fill in this little space right here. So we're going to fill in that space. All right. You want to go really close to your lash line. Now we're going to draw the wing, okay? So I'm going to look straight ahead from that dot. I'm going to take it out. Now you want to work underneath that line. You don't want to work at the top part, okay? So then we're going to fill it in like this. You can open and close your lid a little bit to get that wing. Just going to shake it here again. Depending on how long you want the wing, it's all up to you, right? It's whatever you are happy with. All right, there we go. Now all I do is I take the wing, not all the way, I take it like midway. All right. Just gonna make this a little bit smoother. So, and then it just depends how thick you want the liner to be. I mean, sorry, the wing, okay? It really depends how thick you want it, okay? And a lot of people, they go under with it. I just take it a little bit to kind of give it this little corner shape. All right. And there we have it. There we go, guys. So let me know what you think. And I hope this really works for you. And I hope that the tutorial was okay. Tried my best to show you how I do wing liner. And you can see, like, my hood, my creative hood is a little bit more creased, right? My crease comes all the way down here. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna, you know, put on my mascara and do the other eye, and I'll come back and I'll show you the end result. But literally it took what, a minute to 2 minutes? I think it took a little bit longer because I'm doing it on camera. But that's my little trick. I mean, you start with that, you know, where your crease ends, make that little triangle or square shape, and then wing it out. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna go and put on my mascara and do the other eye so everything is all even and you guys can see. But here we go. If you guys can see that, I hope. All right, and that is the Creative Eye Wing Liner for creative eyes. So I'm gonna zoom back out and put my mascara on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so now both eyes are done and the wing liner is on. I hope that this was easy for you guys and those tips helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you try it out and if it works for you. Again, I'm not no professional, but I just thought I'd show you, you know, with our creative eyes, how to do a creative wing because of the fold and the creases that we have. And just, you know, it's what I say is play around, you know, with makeup and do what makes you feel beautiful and look beautiful. And your wing can go, a lot of people do it straight out, really high up, you know, whatever you're comfortable with and what you like. This is what I like, and I thought I'd share with you guys, and I hope you really like this video. I also want to give a big shout out to my beautiful friend Trish. I will leave her, I met her on Instagram, and I'll leave all her details in the description. She is such a beautiful person and such a kind person. She really is the one that got me, you know, lit up that spark in me again to get me back into Instagram and YouTube again. I had paused there for a while, but I'm really enjoying this and I'm really passionate, and please go follow her. Like I said, she's got the same kind of type of channel as well. She's into lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and all that. And her name is Trish, and I'll leave her Instagram and YouTube link in the description box. And through her, so as well, I wanted to mention and give a shout out to another friend that I've met through Trish. Her name is Erie, and I'll leave her details as well. She's another pleasant young girl who's got a lot of great things on her YouTube channel, and she's also got Instagram too. I'll leave their description, their details in the description box. Alright, so I really hope this helped you in today's video with winged eyeliner for hooded eyes, creative eyes. And I love all your support. Thank you so much. Comment below, hit the like button if you liked it, share with others, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of my next video. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, And take care, beautiful angels. Bye.